A robot deckhand aims to help fishing boats keep their hull fresh all the way to your table. Shin-Kei Systems developed a machine that uses computer vision to slaughter fish in a way that maximizes their shelf life and flavor, TechCrunch reported. The robot takes over the job of a human worker, who usually cuts off a fish's head and guts it before throwing it back in the water, an arduous task when there are hundreds of them floating around. The refrigerator-sized system attaches to the deck of a boat and is designed to withstand rough seas. Fishermen dump their nets into a hopper, which feeds individual fish through the machine one at a time. Inside, computer vision directs tools to puncture the animal's brain, sever its spine, drain its blood, and place it in an ice bath. Each fish takes 10 to 15 seconds to process. The system uses a combination of artificial intelligence and machine learning to identify each fish's species and shape, then pinpoint where its vital organs are located. It can currently recognize a limited number of northern Atlantic species including striped bass, steelhead trout, and black sea bass. The company has since partnered with several New York restaurants who are willing to pay for the fish at market rates in order to provide fresh seafood on their menus. It also works with local grocery stores who have agreed to sell the fish at an affordable rate so that customers can purchase it at retail prices instead of having to pay significantly higher restaurant prices. Ike-Jime is a Japanese technique for killing and preserving seafood. The process involves cutting the spine of the fish and then pumping it with salt water to kill it. It's often used in sushi restaurants, but also by people who want to preserve their catch at home. The process is modeled on a manual technique called Ike-Jime, which typically requires a skilled practitioner, making it difficult to industrialize. Ike-Jime is increasingly popular among upscale seafood restaurants both within and outside Japan, where it was developed. A new system that could revolutionize the fishing industry has just been unveiled. The system, which is currently in development, would allow fish to be tracked from the time they are caught until they are sold, allowing for better tracking of fish health and a more efficient way to sell them. This could also help reduce the amount of time it takes for fish to get from one place to another by cutting down on unnecessary processes like deep freezing or live transport. Thank you for listening to another edition of AI News. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to what's happening in the AI industry.